Hello! Welcome to Leeds University. In this video, we'll share with you how to register with the doctor in the UK. Registering with the doctor is one of the first things we advise you to do when you arrive in Leeds. Do not wait until you're ill. Make this a priority. As an international student, you may be familiar with the terms doctor and hospital. However, there are some other terms you should be familiar with. In the UK, doctors in the community are called general practitioners or GPs. A place where you can ask for advice or receive treatment from a doctor is called a surgery. Sometimes it can be referred to as a GP practice or a medical centre. GPs are often the first point of contact for anyone with a physical or mental concern. They can also prescribe medicines that you are unable to purchase from pharmacies. How to register with a GP in 3 simple steps. You can find a GP using the NHS Service Finder. All you need for this step is your current address. You can choose whether to register at a practice that is close to your campus or close to your accommodation. It is worth noting that Leeds has its own student medical practice. To find out more information about the practice, please visit Leeds Student Medical Practice website. Once you find a GP practice that you want to register with, visit their website and search for new patient registration. When registering with a GP practice, it would be useful to provide one form of ID, which can be a passport or a biometric resident permit, and one proof of address, which can be a confirmation of enrollment letter. Leeds students can ask for a confirmation of enrollment letter from our student advice team. Once you are registered, you'll be given a personal NHS number, which helps healthcare staff identify you correctly and match your details to your medical records. You can register online, or alternatively, you can walk into the practice and ask to register with them. It's worth checking with each practice to see if they accept walk-in registration. Most practices will take 48 to 72 hours to process your application, and then you'll be able to contact the surgery and arrange appointments. GP practices are not the only services available. There are a range of additional primary care options depending on what you need, including walk-in centre, sexual health clinics, and pharmacies. If you are suffering from a cough, cold, or sore throat, you can buy medicine from a pharmacy without a doctor's prescription to treat these symptoms. If your illness appears to be more serious, you should contact your GP as soon as possible and describe your symptoms clearly. There are different healthcare services in the UK depending on your circumstances, such as NHS 111, accidents and emergency departments of your local hospital, and ambulance service 999. You can visit NHS website to find out more about different services. If you are unsure which service you need, you can contact NHS 111 for advice. Any links mentioned in this video can be found on our website or in the information section of the YouTube video. Finally, if you want some help to register with a GP or have any other questions, members of our student advice are more than happy to help you. You can either call us on 0113 812 3000 or email studentadvice@leedsbucket.ac.uk. We are here to help you access the information or support you need.